Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to another vlog, and this is like a vlog slash reaction video. So today I'm going to get my nose pierced and something else pierced, but I'm not gonna say it in the intro, so I have to watch the full video to the end to see what else may get pierced. So when we leave work 2 o'clock, I go to the piercing shop and get it done, and then I come home. I go make Billy react to it, because I not tell him so I go do it or anything like that. I just go surprise him. So when I come home, I want to try get him a real reaction for so how him react. I tell me say must pierce back my nose. I pierce it twice already. See the spots them. I pierce it twice already, and him tell me say I not pierce it back. But I say, yo, I go in at 2021. I want to do something. So I say, why not just get the nose pierced again? Yes. So that is exactly what I'm going to do today. And don't forget to like, comment, and share and subscribe. Leave it on thoughts in the comment section. I just want to say thank you all for the support. Thank you all for everybody who watched the last 3 or 4 videos ago. I really and truly appreciate it. Even though it's less, I appreciate it all. Even if I 1 views me did get on the videos, we really and truly appreciate it. So this is just the intro. So we'll see you later when we reach at the piercing shop. Bye guys, love you all, and I will see you all in 2021. Bye. The people, which one? Somebody always going off to get the nose pierced, and never see Billy reaction. Thanks to Shanique today here with me. Say something to the camera. Alright, kind of big nervous. I'm shy at the same time. I'm going to open again because she don't have to wear the mask. So I'm going to open again, guys. So as soon as we go inside, she will do all of the recording things. She will do all of the recording. So as soon as we go inside, now we'll check back with you. This side of me, so whenever you lick on, right there. That's your phone, that's your phone, yes? Oh, where did it go? Yeah. Looking at the ground, tell me, Mark is fine. So, we're at 55. Good? Alright, so needle, seal. I'm trying to get it out of my purse. Before my name was down, my nose, the whole you needed. That means it's so you can do this. No, I'm not on your one. Extremely cold.